Alright, ni hao, Sifu Kairesh here. How are you all doing? Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways of introducing yourself in terms of asking a person's name. There's an easy way, there's a moderate way, and there's a professional way. So there's a formal and informal way. Alright, let's get started. Hey Sifu, I'm beginner. Can you just guide me on an easy way? Alright, before getting into the 3 ways, I'll show you one simple way. Get your phone ready. So this is what you do. You say, I am, and then you put in your name, and then so you can tell what about you. Okay, so this is the easiest way of asking for a person's name. So in Mandarin you say 我, which is I. Hey, Sifu, I don't know how to spell. Okay, let's go step by step. W-O, 我, and then J-I-A-O, 叫, 我叫. So 我叫 is I call. So 我叫, and then you put in any names. Okay, and then 我叫. Let's say for example your name is John. So 我叫 John. What about you? So how to tell what about you in Mandarin? 你, 呢. That's it. Hey Sifu, slow down a bit. Okay, slow down. 我 W-O 我 J-I-A-O 叫. And then you put in your name. And then 你 呢. Alright, so Nina is what about you? So if you see a Chinese person for the first time, you can tell 你好, which is called hello, 你好, 我叫 your name, Nina. Then he will introduce himself and you can get started in your conversation. Alright, so this is the easy way. Okay, let's get down to the 3 ways which I'm going to show you. So now, the first way of asking for a person's name is by knowing a Chinese name. Let's say your name, let's say, you see, a Chinese person's name comes with 3 parts. Let's say, for example, the person's name is Li. Okay, let's say his name is Li. It could be Li Zhong or Ling Jianzun or Zhou Manwen. So there are 3 names. So always the first name is called the initials. Oh my God, what happened? It is called the surname. So it's the surname and then their name. So that's how a Chinese name works. So if you know that, so surname in Mandarin is called surname. Let me just write down surname. What am I writing? S-U-R-N-A-M-E. Surname in Mandarin is called Xing. X-I-N-G. Xing Ming. Xing Ming. But let's just take with one word, Xing. Okay, so if you know Xing is the surname, so if you want to tell what is your surname, so in Mandarin you say 你 Xing X-I-N-G Xing Shen Me. That's how you ask 你 Xing Shen Me. That means what is your surname? Okay, hey Sifu, slow down. Okay, slow down. 你 Xing X-I-N-G Xing Shen Me. Shen Me is what? S-H-E-N-M-E. Shen Me. That's it. So if someone asks you 你 Xing 什么? Okay, this applies if the person is a Chinese person. That a Chinese person cannot ask you if you are a non-Chinese. Okay, if you're a non-Chinese, you cannot use this method. So if you ask a person 你 Xing 什么? So let's say the person's name is Li. So generally what they will reply is, they will tell 我 Xing Li. It could be any name. You don't have to worry about the surname part. This is more towards speaking. All right. So you say, okay, I am, or you want to tell my surname is. So you did. So normally they would say 我 Xing, and then the first part of the surname of the entire Chinese name. Okay. Let's say the name is called Huang something. So you ask a person, 你姓什么? 我姓黄. That's how it works. This is if you want to know the surname. Okay, generally, they won't tell their real name. They will always tell the first name. First part, which is their surname. All right. So now let's get down into the second way of asking a person's name, which is what is your English, what is your name? So what is your name in Mandarin is called 你叫什 S-H-E-N 什么名字？你叫什么名字？哎，Sifu, slow down. Okay, slow down for you. 你叫 J-I-A-O, which I taught you earlier. 叫神 S-H-E-N 神 M-E 么名字 M-I-N-G 名字 Z-I 名字 Alright? So 你叫什么名字 Okay? So 你 is you, 叫 is call, 什么 is what, 名字 is name. So you call what name? Okay? You call what name? So now, the key word you have to catch here is called 叫. 叫 is called call. So if I'm asking you 你叫什么名字 Hey, Sifu, Z-I, how you pronounce? 字字字字字字字字字字字字字字字 As you want to electrocute somebody, okay? 字 Okay. So, 你叫什么名字 Okay? 你叫什么名字 So if you ask a person 你叫什么名字 You catch the keyword which is called 叫 So you reply I am. But of course, you don't say I. In English, it's I am. But word for word, it is called I call. Okay, I understand English, it doesn't work that way, but in Mandarin, it works that way. So you say 我叫 Then you put in your name. So your name is Kairesh, 我叫 Kairesh. Or your name is John, 我叫 John. Okay, don't ask me how to tell John in Mandarin. Okay? Maybe John, or maybe this is where the tone comes in. You figure out the Chinese name on your own. So 你叫什么名字？我叫 your name. Then if you want to tell what about you, you can bring in like earlier I taught you 你呢 Then you tell 我叫 the name. Okay, so this is the second way of asking a question. So now let's go and look into the third way of asking a question. Our name. So this is what you say. How to address you? This is very, very interesting. How to address you? So how do you say? This is how you do. I will try 2 times. It is called 怎 Z-E-N 怎么 怎么 C-H-E-N-G 称呼 and then 你 You put 您 is better. This is more for a formal way. 怎么称呼您 Or you can also sometimes tell 怎样称怎样C-H-E-N-G 称呼 H-U 呼你 Okay? Hey, Sifu, slow down. Okay, slow down. This is like there are 2 ways. Okay, one is very, very accurately professional, which is this way. And then this way, the second one here is, so you're saying it professionally, but not so much of a bombastic word. So, 怎么称呼您? Okay, let's go one by one. It is called, let's go Chinese. Okay, C-H-E-N, sorry. Okay, Z-E-N, 怎 Okay, M-E, 么 怎么 is called how. Okay, 称呼 is address, not your house address. Okay, that is a different. Okay, it's not a house address. This is to address a person. Okay, it's called C-H-E-N-G, 称 H-U, who, N-I-N. Nin. Nin is you with respect. You're telling Nin. You tell Nin to a Chinese, they will be like, oh, wow, you respect me so much. Okay, Nin. Okay. The second way is, the same way, but it's more of a not so advanced version. You can tell this is the one. It's called 怎样称呼你. Okay. The difference between ni and nin. Ni is you. Nin is you with respect. Okay. So let me show you. 怎样称呼你? I show you slow. Z-E-N-Y-A-N-G yang C-H-E-N-G 称 H-U who 你 is you, ni and I. That's it. There you okay, ni. That's it. So this is how you say how to address you. So someone say 怎样称呼你?怎么称呼您? This is called how to address you. You use this when you're approaching clients, prospects, people of a higher ranking, higher respect, parents, people, okay, people of a higher level. You use this. People will be like, whoa, not bad. So you can tell hello. Hello is called 你好. 你好. Or you want to tell 您好 also can. 您好. 您好 is hello with respect. 您好. 怎么称呼您? Tell this to somebody. Don't believe? Try and see. Okay. 怎么称呼您? Imagine if you write this down to a Chinese, they'll be like, whoa, how on earth you know this? Okay. So this is what you reply. So you just have to tell I am. I am, which is called, in Mandarin is called, it's called 我是. Okay, 我是. Hey, Sifu, slow down a bit. Okay, slow down. W-O, 我, S-H-I, 是. 是 is called is, R-M. Is, R-M, remember, it's called verb to be, it's called 是. Isn't, aren't, am not. M doesn't exist. Isn't, aren't, that whole group is called 不是. Remember that, okay? So 是. So 怎么称呼您?我是 Kairesh.你呢? Get into conversation. So how many ways you learn today? So you learn the basic one of introducing yourself. For beginners, you can tell 我叫 Kairesh. 你呢? So this is the easy way. So the 3 ways is using the surname. 你姓什么? That person will reply 我姓 your name. The surname, which is the first letter of the 3 Chinese names. And the second way is called what is your name? What is your name is 你叫什么名字? Someone asks you 你叫什么名字? 我叫 your name. Catch the keyword called 叫. Then the third way is called how to address you. There's a very accurate formal way and there's a normal formal way. The accurate one is 怎么称呼您? So you just tell, if you see somebody, you just tell 你好,怎么称呼您? 我是 your name. Then the formal way, but it's on a basic words, you can tell 怎样称呼你? Same thing. If someone asks you any of these 2, you just have to tell 我是 and then your name. Alright? So this is the only 3 or 4 ways that you see, maybe 3.5 ways of introducing your name to a Chinese. Alright? There's no other ways. Follow this way and you're good to go in Mandarin. Why? Mandarin is very easy. Sifu is here. I cracked the entire Chinese code for you. Your job is to share this video for people who are wanting to learn Mandarin very, very fast. So 3 things you have to do after watching this video. I need a like. I need you to comment, hey Sifu, I want to learn this. How? Please tell me. Make that comment. I'll make a video for you. And then most importantly, share. Click the share button. Share it to all your friends. Right? Why? Mandarin is very easy. Sifu is here. Right? You don't have to worry. Comment below. I'll make a video for you. Alright? Gotta go. 谢谢. 再见.